Hey developers, Unstop organized a Career League 2025 and it is presented by Gia. The highlights of this Career League: CTC up to 50 LPA for the full-time roles and the stipend up to 1.5 lakhs per month for the internship role. And there is 100 plus openings and 180 plus job categories. And this hiring from the like Meta, PepsiCo, Microsoft, Google, L&T, Deloitte, Goldman Sachs, EY and Barclays. And other requirements like if you are from 2021, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 batches, you can apply into these roles. So check out one or two hirings. Like this Stripe is hiring for the software engineer role, and the required qualification is like bachelor, master, PhD degree in CS or related field, and pass out is 2026. Means this Stripe hiring is for the 2026 batch, and this is directly career page hiring. Means it is all are genuine hiring. Check one more like this hiring. It is for the software development engineer internship role. Internship means upcoming batches like 26, 27. And this is also a career page hiring. Means these jobs is given here all means max to max is directly hired by the company career pages or the Unstop. So you can check all the hiring and apply. And other details like everything you need to know about the you can read here more, like direct access to hiring challenges assessment and exclusive opening in this career league. So end this video, apply link below in the description and hit a like button, do comment and subscribe skill here for more job updates.